Nothing subsidiary, CMF, is stepping into the smartphone arena with a bang. Set to debut in India on July 8th, alongside the CMF Buds Pro 2 and CMF Watch Pro 2, this phone is generating buzz for all the right reasons. Expected to cost slightly less than 20,000 rupees and exclusively available on Flipkart, it's poised to shake up the market. Forget everything you know about smartphone design. CMF is breaking the mold. With a possibly modular design and vibrant color options, it's not just a phone, it's a statement piece. The phone will be encased in a plastic body, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's ordinary. They're even using real screws in the build, embracing a bold new approach to craftsmanship. The CMF Phone 1 is expected to feature a completely unique look, possibly even a modular design. Imagine the flexibility of being able to swap out components or easily access the internals. Yes, you heard that right, a removable backplate in 2024. This feature is expected to make repairs and battery swaps a breeze. And they've thought of everything. The unique SIM card removal tool doubles as a screwdriver, ensuring you can easily open the back panel whenever needed. Now, let's move to the display. The CMF Phone 1 will boast a large 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with probably a 120Hz refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, this screen will be easily viewable even under direct sunlight. Plus, it's a flat panel with a sleek punch hole cutout, and it includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. Under the hood, it packs MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 chipset, 8 gigs of RAM with virtual RAM expansion, and a generous 128 gig storage, running on Android 14-based Nothing OS for a seamless experience. It comes equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, promising up to 2 days of usage, or an impressive 22 hours of continuous YouTube streaming. Camera-wise, the CMF Phone 1 sports a dual rear camera setup in a vertical pill-shaped module at the top left of the back panel. Each sensor is housed in separate circular units arranged vertically. The primary camera features a 50-megapixel Sony sensor with an f1.8 lens, delivering sharp and vibrant photos. With Ultra XDR support, your images will have enhanced dynamic range and detail. The front camera is expected to feature a 16-megapixel sensor. The CMF Phone 1 has an IP52 rated build, offering moderate protection against dust and water. It's not entirely waterproof, but it can handle a bit of splash without any issues. Get ready to meet your new smartphone obsession. Stay tuned for July 8th, when CMF redefines what it means to be wonderful by design. Thanks for watching the video till the very end, and catch you in the next one.